Stop managing your social media manually. By connecting 3 specific no-code tools, you can build a fully autonomous distribution engine that replaces hours of manual work with a single click. Most creators lose hours every week, taking a single idea, reformatting it for different feeds, and manually uploading the results to multiple platforms. This diagram maps out our architecture. A single input trigger flows into an AI processing center, which then splits the data outward to your social media endpoints. Once the initial trigger is pulled, the data moves through the system without you ever needing to copy or paste a single line of text. This zero-touch automation shifts your role from a distribution manager to a pure content creator. You handle the ideas, the engine handles the delivery. Our workflow begins in Notion. This serves as your central repository, where every raw content idea is stored and tracked before it ever goes live. To bridge this static database with our automation, we use a webhook. Think of it as a digital scout, watching for specific changes to instantly signal the system. We configure that scout to trigger only when a specific drop-down menu is changed to Approved. The moment you hit Approved, the system fires the raw data packet out of Notion and into the next stage of the pipeline. Using a deliberate status change ensures that only finalized, vetted ideas move into the automation, preventing half-finished posts from going live. That data packet is caught by N8N, acting as the central logic center for the operation. Within N8N, we route the raw idea into an AI agent node connected to Claude. The AI performs 2 tasks at once. First, it condenses the raw text into a sharp 280-character post, specifically formatted for the constraints of X. Simultaneously, it expands that same core idea into a professional post, with the line breaks and structure expected on LinkedIn. We use precise JSON mapping to ensure short-form and long-form versions stay separated, preventing the system from sending wrong text to the wrong platform. Generating these variations in parallel ensures each post looks native to the platform it lands on, avoiding the cluttered look of standard cross-posting. Once the text is ready, N8N hands the finalized variations to make.com via an HTTP request. Make.com specializes in multi-channel routing, providing the stable connections needed to talk to external platform APIs. The router identifies the incoming data and determines exactly which text variant belongs to which social media account. Path A connects to the X API and instantly publishes the short-form post. Path B routes the professional variant to the LinkedIn API, scheduling it for when your network is most active. By separating these paths into a dedicated router, we sequence the requests to stay within platform rate limits, preventing APIs from blocking our traffic. This separation of concerns means that even if a platform's API experiences a delay, it won't slow down your primary AI generation engine. The final step is the confirmation loop. This mechanism verifies both posts were successfully published. Make.com waits for confirmation from both platforms, then captures the live URLs for the new posts. As shown here, those live links are routed back to the original Notion row where the idea started. The system then triggers a final status change, automatically moving the item from approved to published. This creates a perfect audit trail, with the live links for every platform organized right next to your original concept. With the build complete, your social media presence is a self-sustaining engine. A single idea now generates and publishes to both platforms on autopilot. By building this once, you've turned a repetitive chore into a permanent asset. The system is live. You can start building your own engine today.